Hello everyone, my name is Kay. Today we are presenting you with a DIY project using one of our items in the shop. Please like and follow our Facebook page. You can check out all of our products in the shop and follow so you will be notified of other products in the pipeline. We are also launching more DIY in the future, so we will see each other more and more.
Good morning. In today's project, we're going to be using our very own smart switch. This is a very handy device that you can use to control your appliances at home. You can use it to remote control your appliances even from outside of your houses. You can also use it to set automated turn on and off schedules. And the best part is you can connect it to Alexa for voice activated commands. Let's see what do we have useful in our bag full of excess parts. What do you know? Schneider switches. Haven't used them yet. Oh, here you go. Yep, it's a very good candidate for our project. Okay. So my plan is to see if this one can sit inside of that. So we're going to be cutting off the bus bar, connect the wire through here so it goes into the input side, and then the output connects to this. So I will only have one outlet left to use. Probably would need to cut off this one and then plug this one here. Let's go and do it. As per calculation, it looks like we could save around 300 pesos per month, and the cost of one smart switch would actually be around 300 pesos. So basically our ROI would be less than 2 months, including all the other parts that you're going to put into the project. Okay, so here we have completed the setup of the smart switch, the load, which is this lamp, represented by this lamp, and then I have the control via my cell phone over here. So if you could notice in the cell phone, my Wi-Fi setting is off. Okay, so it's not connected to the Wi-Fi. However, it's connected to mobile data. I have already connected the smart switch here to the Wi-Fi inside of our house. So this setup here is supposed to simulate and to tell you that wherever you are, even outside of your home, you can still connect to your smart switch via mobile data. Let's open the app. Here you go, Smart Life. As you can see, there are already two devices set up. One is the smart strip that I use to control the light in our fence outside. I use it to automatically turn it on and off at night. And the other one here, this is the newly set up, this unit here that we're going to be testing today. This is how the control panel looks like. But before we toggle it on and off, let's look at what the setting is set up for. I have set certain time. The night, shall we say, is starting at 10 o'clock. Not very frequently, but at least on a 2-hour interval. And then I'll turn it on for 1 hour and then turn it off again. So all in all, I'm shutting it down in the midnight by around 6 hours. Here, I'm going to simulate how I'm going to turn on and off the load from outside. If I press on this one, there you go, turns off. That's the load. Press it on again, turns on, press it off. So you can also hear the switch clicking. So what I did here is I just embedded the smart switch inside of the outlet.
put the wirings in on the output and then cable and plug on the input side. I hope you like it. Feel free to ask any questions.